In this video, I'm going to explain you about a co-radial relation. Normally people are not using it, but we can use it where it is useful. Let's see how to do that. First of all, I'm creating one part with a hole. We'll create one rectangle and we'll create one circle. We can specify the sizes 50 and we'll specify this to be 25 and we'll make this line and this line to be equal and OK, and let me extrude it 10 and OK. Now I'll select this face. Now if I draw a circle, okay, it's a random radius, I drawn 8 something, and we know this is 25 we have taken diameter. Now I want this circle also become equal to this circle, and as well as it will be get coincide over that, mean to say concentric with the same circle. It will be sharing the same center and having an equal radius. Two things will be happen together. So we'll select this existing circle, press Ctrl button and we'll select the second circle and we'll choose the option here co-radial. So now you can observe the radius become equal, plus that will be get on the same circular area, so that is called concentric. Exit. So this is how you can use co-radial relationship in SolidWorks. Later on maybe you have to extrude it again in that place, you can use it that way. So that is the use of this particular relation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this video.